In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a set of window visors that kind of go on any type of car, truck, or van or something. And what they do, they run along the edge of the window right here. So if you want to crack your window, say when you're like camping and you just want to have more ventilation in there and it starts raining, and rain will not get through the window because it's going to have that shield coming over it. You can definitely see I have a lot of pollen going on right here. There's a few things you're going to need when you put these on. You're going to need some alcohol. So this is 90% alcohol. So I need some sort of like microfiber cloth. I use these shop towels right here. And then obviously we're going to need the window visors here. And here's the ones I got. So you're going to have different ones. You're going to get your model. And I have a Toyota Sienna here, and I've been wanting to put these on there so when I camp I can crack my window. Then if it starts raining, nothing comes in there. And these actually have 3M backing tape on there, so they're very simple to install. Actually, you get a little set of kind of instructions right here. Now I've installed these before, so there's not much to them. Like it says, clean the target surface off with an alcohol pad. Now I'm using spray right here, but you could get like just normal rubbing alcohol and clean it up. Clean up along the edge of the window and then peel and stick it on there and you are good. So 3 steps. How easy is that? Roll up the window, repeat steps as above. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let me take them out of their package here, get the window cleaned up, and then we'll go from there. Just so you guys know, each one is labeled, well, at least mine are. So these are the left, so you got a left here and a left here. But the way they've done mine is the smaller one goes down at the top and then it gets larger at the top right there. Or the small at the bottom and then it gets larger at the top. So I went ahead and laid them out right here. Now what I'm gonna do is clean up around here because that has a lot of pollen on it. So let's get to wiping it down now. So I went ahead and put them both up here so I don't end up stepping on them and breaking them. So you need to be careful on that. I'm gonna roll out some towels, just spray this whole area down nicely right here. I'm gonna get this very clean, this surface all the way down for any type of oils or dust or anything. I'm just gonna do one side at a time, by the way. So basically, if you've done this side, you know what the other side's like. So it actually looks like it's pretty level all the way across. Maybe it's a little thinner there and there. Okay, so I went ahead and peeled all of that off. Now I wanna hit this one stick. I think we're good right there. I just wanna add even pressure all the way down. Usually with this tape, if you can add, this is what they call VHB tapes, I think what it's called. I think that's pretty solid. It's more important to have this one because obviously I'm going this way. I'm not caring so much about going in reverse. I don't think that's coming off. We'll stick it a little bit more. Now let's go ahead and move on to the front. This is actually one of the easier things to do. I think pretty much anybody with half a brain could end up doing this. You just don't want to peel this off of the actual tape. I think what I'm gonna do is start down here at this edge, lay that on there, and just work my way down like from here. I don't see any issues with that. Everybody, that's it. I think I'm good to go. You can see right here, I have the driver's side on, so the window visors are on, and they're on there pretty sturdy. I'm looking for any type of air bubbles or anything in the VHB tape, and I don't see anything. You can kind of see the tape a little bit inside there, and that's all stuck down nicely. And the same way with the back one, it runs just along, because these back windows roll down, by the way. So in a Toyota Sienna, the back windows roll down, so that's why they're on the back and front. Let me go ahead, do it for the passenger side, then we'll come back and look at the final results. And then here's the passenger side here. You can see how nicely this all matches up. So there's a bend right there, and they actually have that bend designed in on both my windows right there. So this looks really good. Everybody, these things I think are gonna work great. Now, only time will tell in the long run how well this adhesive is gonna hold up, but right now this looks really good. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, rain window visors. See you all in the next video.